guys, i-unbox nga natin itong panettone. Ito ay maliit na panettone. Ito ay malaki. Yes. Tikman natin. Ang flavor niya is yan, fruits. I love it. Buksan natin. Yan. Ito ay panettone. Lumalabas lang ito tuwing Pasko. It's a seasonal bread or cake, whatever. So, ayan, ang laki niya. Ilang araw lang din natin itong mauubos. So, ay fruits flavor. May mga fruity. From Italy. Panettone. Ang tawag nila dito is panettone. Panettone. Yes, it's my panettone. Look at that. No, there's a wrapper. And then, Kylie's panettone is small. And we're gonna cut it.
There's
It's yummy. That's raisins. So, see, it's a big one.
Can I go get the knife?
Oh, yeah. Be careful. I'll take it. I'll get it. Ayan. And then we'll coffee. Let's have coffee. And coffee. Dahil malamig, magkabit tayo. Yan guys. Salamat.